Congratulations are in order to Amakosi, Kaizer Chiefs, and Trophy Drought with dramatic Nedbank Cup triumph over rivals Orlando Pirates. After a decade of heartbreak, near misses, and rebuilding, Kaizer Chiefs finally have reason to celebrate. The Glamour Boys ended their 10-year trophy drought in a spectacular fashion, edging arch rivals Orlando Pirates 2-1 in a pulsating Nedbank Cup final at a packed Moses Mabhida Stadium on Saturday evening. Not since Stuart Baxter guided them to the Absa Premiership title on 9 May 2015 in Gqeberha had Chiefs lifted major silverware. That long wait is now over thanks to goals from Gaston Sereno and Yusuf Mart, which sealed a momentous victory in front of jubilant Amakosi faithful. Head coach Nasruddin Nabi made bold choices ahead of the clash, handing Brandon Peterson a surprise start in a goal with Bruce Fuma omitted entirely from the matchday squad. The Tunisian also brought in Inacio Miguel, Thabo Cele and Wandile Duba, replacing the suspended Bradley Cross, Kosing Phile Ngcobo and Duduzi Shabalala. On the other hand, Pirates, who had rotated heavily in midweek, countered with 7 changes of their own. Key players such as Dion Hoto, Relobohile Mofokeng and Evidence Mahupa returned to a starting lineup, injecting fresh legs and attacking threat. The game started cautiously with both sides wary of making early errors, but it was Chiefs who drew first blood in the 8th minute. Pule Modi was brought down by Thabiso Monyane inside the box, and Sereno calmly slotted home the resulting penalty in the 11th minute. Pirates, however, responded swiftly. Just 6 minutes later, Mahoba rose highest to meet Hoto's inviting free kick, powering a header past Peterson to level matters. It was the striker's second consecutive goal against Chiefs in a Soweto derby, having scored in their recent league encounter. With the score at 1-1, the intensity escalated. Sereno and Miguel, team's midfield battle became central to the contest, while Peterson made a crucial fingertip save in the 35th minute to deny Mohau Ngota. The first half ended with both sets of fans on edge and everything to play for. The second half began without substitutions, and though chances were scarce early on, the game burst into life in the final quarter. Amakosi nearly restored their lead in the 77th minute when Modi struck the post after being left unmarked in the box. The decisive moment arrived just 2 minutes later. Substitute Mduduzi Shabalala, who had been left out of the starting lineup, made an instant impact with a pinpoint cross that found Mart, who coolly finished past Sipho Chain to ignite wild celebrations among the Amakosi supporters. Pirates threw bodies forward in search of an equalizer. Kabelo Dlamini's late free kick looked destined for the top corner, but Peterson produced a superb save to preserve his side's lead. The final whistle sparked emotional scenes as players and fans embraced. Aware of the significance of the victory, Chiefs' triumph not only ends a painful 10-year silverware drought, but also signals the beginning of a new chapter under Nabi's leadership. For Pirates, it was a missed opportunity to cap off their season with the silverware. For Chiefs, it was redemption, resurgence, and a sweet taste of glory at long last. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more sports news.